In this video, we will show you the step-by-step guide on how to create personalized canvas bag. Step 1. Print your design on transfer paper A with Okipro 8432WT. Step 2. Adhesive application. Marrying transfer paper A plus B or adhesive paper. And put the fold on the corner for easy peel. Rub the paper with the textile to distribute the adhesive evenly. Step 3. Start peeling from the corner with an even motion while hot. Cut all the sides to remove extra adhesive and align your design to your canvas bag on your desired position. Step 4. Place the silicone paper on top for the protection of the canvas bag. Set aside and wait for it to cool down. Step 5. Start peeling from the corner as shown on the video and you're done! Personalized canvas bags are perfect for promoting a business or to use as a party favors for a special event. For more information and more informative videos like this, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.